So pre-review thing is very important in for the publication because you have write that paper. So you are just in front of supervisor. Then again some correction is there. Okay. So you do this one. Second 23 days ago. Okay. Again we have to so in support of your friend. Again you pre-review by your friend. Okay, now correct this one. Okay, now correct this one. Again you just in the supervisor. Again correction is there. So it depends upon how potential is your supervisor to check many times. It may be 10 times, it may be 20 times, it may be 100 times. It depends upon the potential of the supervisor and your just potential. Because suppose you want to submit the paper, then you make yourself self-confident that this paper is now prepared for IEEE transaction. Otherwise, suppose you have written and now just you submit the paper. Now after 5 days, rejected without comment, not suitable for that. So this is the waste of time. So pre-review is very important for the research scholar. I am this for the PhD scholar. MTech scholar have some 1 year time. So this is little, but some review is important for MTech scholar also. But for the PhD scholar, because your publication gets to your degree. So publications is important. So get a pre-review. Okay. Now after the pre-review, submission and find the right place to submit the paper to publish. So suppose now you have done lots of work. So your title is modified as per your views. Because suppose in the first time you have written title, but when you go through that in inner partner, then the title automatically will change. Title automatically will change. So when we have the final title, then you search in that title and also your citations is there. When you cite that journal, because when suppose you have cite 40 journal, suppose you have cite 40 journal. So all the literature review are related to your field. Na? So in 40 journal, maybe 20 different journals is there. Suppose IIT Power Electronics is there, IEEE Industrial Power Electronics is there, IT Renewable Energy is there. Different journal is there. So when you have a complete idea of your work, then I think that time you have a complete knowledge. Okay, I am confident that this work and this paper will be submit or maybe submit in the IEEE transaction or industrial electronics. This will depend upon your workout. Suppose you have done nothing and you have just okay, I am just submit that paper. So this is very important. That is to find the right place to submit the paper to publish. Sometimes happened that in my research experience and also in ISM Dhanbad, sometimes some researcher have a just write a paper some hit and trial method like that na. So put that one, okay, after 4 months reject. Again put that one after 4 months reject. They are not work out like that. So what happened? This is a complete waste of time. So first workout is very important. First workout is very important. So find the right place to submit the paper to publish. When you have selected that, this is the renewable energy field, electrical vehicle field. So okay, here the recently, how many papers are published related to this field? In 2022, in 23, in 19, like recently, not old, recently. This journal is now publishing this types of paper. So okay, I am confident enough to publish that paper, so I will submit that paper. Okay, but main thing is now start the journey here for the research. These are the nothing. These are the nothing. In 3 years now you are doing and you submit your paper. Very worst situation happened when the comments after 9 months, maybe some research paper journals take 1 year. After 1 year, you get the comment here, accept. This is nobody get. When you submit the paper in IEEE transaction, and now congratulations, your paper has been accepted, this never will happen. Without comment in the reputed journals, no paper will be accepted, as per my experience. If sometimes lucky, then okay, now you are lucky enough. So this will not happen in the research. You are lucky. Okay. So in reputed journal, this accept which almost nobody gets. But you are doing lots of things, lots of research. So it may be second one, accept with revision. Mean this is called in our word minor revision. This is called minor revision. This is also for the very luckiest person. Luckiest person means hard-working person also, because they already suppose their supervisor is very experienced in that field. So that I have in the last slide a peer review. Peer review. So suppose your supervisor has a very knowledgeable person, and also your teamwork. Suppose your teamwork is very knowledgeable person. So peer review team. Then we will get accept with revision, that is minor revision. That is the second. Third one, that is revise and resubmit. This is the basically major revision. It will take again half an year, 1 year again to revise. And reject and resubmit. This is that journal particular have rejected that journal, but lots of comments.